I'm going to be showing you how to express ratio as a fraction or percentage. In this example, we are given one green apple to every two red apples. So the ratio of the green apples to red apples in a basket is 1 to 2. Now you are asked what fraction of the apples in the basket are green. So we need to find how many apples are in the basket. So you can add one apple, one green apple plus two red apples is equal to 3 apples. Now, what fraction of the apples in the basket are green? So there is one green apple out of 3 apples, so 1/3. Now you are asked what fraction of the apples in the basket are red? So there are 2/3. So if you add 1/3 and 2/3, it will give you 3/3 or 1. That's 1 whole. The ratio 1 to 2 doesn't always mean that you can only have one green apple to two red apples. You can also have more than that. So if you have 1 to 2, you can have another lot of 1 to 2. So now you have 2 green apples to 4 red apples. You can simplify that because you can divide both by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the ratio is still 1 to 2. Or if you are asked what fraction of the apples in the basket are green, so you have 2 out of 6. Or simplifying that, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So still the same, 1/3. Let's have another example. It says Sarah has red, blue, and yellow dolls at home. The ratio of red to blue to yellow dolls are 4 to 5 to 3. So there are 4 red dolls to 5 blue dolls to 3 yellow dolls. Now the question is, what fraction of the dolls are yellow? So first you need to add all of the dolls. So you have 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. So you have 12 dolls in all. So what fraction of the dolls are yellow? You have 3 yellow dolls out of 12 dolls. So 3 to 12. You can also simplify that. Second question, what fraction of the dolls are red? So you have 4 red dolls out of 12 dolls. So 4 over 12. So to simplify this, you can divide both top and bottom by 3. So you have 1 over 4. Or for the second one, you divide the numerator and denominator by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. For our next example, we're going to express ratio as a percentage. So here, Chris makes a drink by mixing lemonade and orange juice in the ratio 13 to 7. What percentage of the drink is lemonade? So there are 13 parts here for the lemonade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you have 13. And out of the whole drink, so that's 13 plus 7 gives you 20. So the fraction for lemonade is 13 out of 20. We're going to change this fraction to percentage. If you have a calculator, you can divide the numerator 13 divided by the denominator 20 and then times 100. Or you could change the denominator 20 to 100 by multiplying 20 by 5. So what you do to the denominator, you do the same to the numerator. So you also multiply the numerator by 5, which will give you 65. So 65 over 100 is the same as 65%. Okay, so let's answer letter B question. Letter B question is, what percentage of the drink is orange juice? So orange is 7 parts out of 20. So we're going to change that into percentage. So make the denominator 100 by multiplying 20 by 5. What you do to the denominator, you do the same to the numerator. So 7 times 5 is 35, which means that orange juice is 35% of the drink. Now it's time to do some exercise. While you're trying to work out the answers, I want you to press the pause button, and when you're ready to see the answers, press play. Now let's work on this. Olivia has blue, pink, and orange counters in a bag. The ratio of blue to pink to orange is 4 to 5 to 2. What fraction of the counters are blue? So we're going to add all the counters. So you have 4 counters, plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So what fraction of the counters are blue? There are 4 blue counters, and there's a total of 11. So it's 4 over 11. For the second question, what fraction of the counters are orange? There are 2 orange counters out of 11, so 2 11ths. Now let's look at the second question. It says that there are white, red, and yellow counters in the box. The number of white counters, the number of red counters, and the number of yellow counters are in the ratio 2:7 to 16. Question is, what percentage of the counters in the box are red? So fraction of the counters which are red. So there are 7 red. We just need to find how many, what's the total number of counters. So in the box, so 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 16 gives you 25. So it's 7 over 25. To change this into percentage, you can divide the 7 divided by 25, then multiply by 100, or as 100 is a multiple of 25, you just change 25 to 100 by multiplying by 4. So 25 times 4 is 100. Do the same to the numerator. 7 times 4 is 28. So the percentage of the counters in the box which are red is 28%. I hope you got your answers right, and thank you for watching.